Hey guys, it's Denise here and welcome back to another video, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, well, welcome. In today's video, I am going to do a Valentine's Day inspired set, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. But I'm super excited because I purchased these long stiletto nails from Amazon, which I absolutely love. They're very convenient. Usually I use my Makartt ones, which I absolutely love and I have no issues with, but I don't always want to waste them on my practice hand because those are the ones that I use for my own nails. So I decided to buy these extra long stiletto tips from Amazon because I can just slip them into my Red Iguana practice hand and it makes my life so much easier. I can just get straight to the acrylic application. So I will make sure to leave the link in my description box for you guys to check out if you guys are interested. They are stiletto, but I just clipped the tip where the number is, just so I can get, I guess, that coffin look or whatever. But yeah, I'm super excited to try these out. So with that being said, let me let you guys know what I'm doing here. So for the index finger, I am using a powder from iGel Beauty and it's called Lips Locked. It's like a reddish color and I believe it does have a little bit of shimmer. It's a really pretty color. I liked it. I have never used it. I have 86 powders of iGel Beauty, which I haven't used all of them, not even like half of them. I still have a lot of colors to try out that I haven't even touched. So this color is very pretty. I like the iGel Beauty powders. They're really easy to work with, at least I think, and the colors are beautiful. Here for the ring finger, I'm just doing a little marbling. It's the same color that I'm using, Lips Locked, and the white milky color that I'm using is from Mia's Secret. It's the frosted pink. Don't let the pink fool you. It's not pink at all. It's a very pretty milky color, milky white color that I absolutely love. So here I'm just doing the little marble. I do grab my beads more wet than usual, just so I can go ahead and swirl them together to get that marble effect. And you guys, this is my very first long set that I've done. So I was really excited to try these nails out and to do this extra long set. I had a lot of fun doing them and I was super excited. I just couldn't wait. So I hope you guys like this video and like this design. All right, let me show you guys what else I'm using. I am using the Mia's Secret monomer, which I always use. I just think it's a universal monomer. It kind of works with every brand. Well, at least all the brands that I have tried. And I love the smell. I have no issues with the smell. Let's see what else I'm using. I'm using my JC Beauty Concepts brush, which is my absolute favorite, in a size 10. I absolutely love it and I definitely recommend it. Here, let me just tell you guys really quick, the ring finger, this is going to be all clear with those shaped hearts. I didn't even know I had hearts until I started looking around in my drawers. So I'm actually glad that I found them right on time, you know, for the holiday or whatnot. So I'm just applying these little hearts and I am applying the clear powder from iGel Beauty just so I have something, just so my hearts will have something to stick onto. Now, the little napkin thing that you guys see on my table, those are actually dental bibs and I absolutely love them and I'm glad I found them, or I'm not sure where exactly. I think it was probably TikTok. Somebody recommended them or whatever. They're waterproof. So I actually prefer to use the dental bibs than towels because let's say my monomer spills or my acetone spills or whatnot, it spills on this napkin, which is waterproof and it doesn't ruin your table. So I definitely recommend using dental bibs, even if you lay this down first and then your towel, you know, whatever works for you, but I definitely recommend the dental bibs. All right, now back to my hand. I did want to let you guys know that I know you guys don't see it here on my videos because I do edit a lot of it out just to keep the video short and not so long. But I swipe the side of my nails a lot just to maintain that shape. I swipe and swipe and swipe. I know you guys probably already seen it several times in this particular video, but I try my best to maintain the shape of my nail just so to cut down on my filing at the end. I've learned that throughout the last year to keep your application as smooth and clean as possible and always swipe down your sides to maintain that shape. So I do that a lot. And also, I know you guys don't see it either, but I clean my brush on my napkin a lot as well. You want to make sure that you are cleaning your brush. You want to make sure that you don't have any of that acrylic stuck in your brush, because your application will not go smoothly. So I do clean my brush a lot on my napkin as well. I know you guys can't see it, but I definitely do. Now, these are what my nails are looking like so far. I wasn't too sure what I was gonna do. I mean, like I said, I have a lot of colors, but when it comes to creativity, you guys, I really have none. I love doing nails, but the downside of it is that my creativity level is so low. Like, I have to find inspiration somewhere, whether it be another nail tech, pictures, or whatever it is. But this one, I had absolutely no clue. I don't know how you guys do it with your creativity, if you get inspired by other nail techs, or maybe a picture or a design on a shirt or wallpaper or whatnot. But yeah, I struggle with creativity. But there's a lot of nail techs out there that are very inspiring and very talented. So I hope no one takes offense if I ever do decide to do their work and just recreate it. But this was on me, so I mean, I'm proud of these. When I do my own thing, I'm very proud of them, because again, I said I have no creativity, you guys. But so now to the pinky finger, I'm using that same color, Lips Locked from iGel Beauty. It's gonna be fully covered with that color. I said it in my previous videos, when it comes to using colored acrylic, I use a very thin layer. I don't build my nail up with the acrylic powder. I do that with the clear once I cap it. So yeah. So moving forward, as you can see, it's time to cap all the nails. Well, all of them except the ring finger, because that's already capped. So the clear powder that I'm using is from iGel Beauty, and I'm just going to cap the rest of the nails. And today wasn't too cold, so I wasn't too worried or speaking to, you know, the acrylic gods, that this the clear powder doesn't crystallize. So I had no issues today. So again, with the clear powder, I'm just going to cap the nails, and I'm going to build the nail up and create my apex. And I did want to mention, you guys, that don't forget to check out my description box. I do have a couple of discount codes that you guys can use. The first one is Makartt. I am a brand ambassador. You guys can get 15% off on your purchase. It's Nail.Chronicles. And Makartt has really good products, you guys. They have gel polishes, polygel if you're into that. I personally have their nail dust collector, which I absolutely love. They have nail tips, which I absolutely love. I use them as well. So they have a lot of other products that you guys can look into, you know, if you guys want to. But yeah, don't forget to use my code just so you guys can get some money off. I mean, who doesn't want money off on their order, right? Also, I am a brand ambassador, or I'm affiliate with Double Dip Nails. If you haven't heard of them, they are their products or their powders can be used for dipping or acrylic powder, which I absolutely love as well. I love their monomer. I love their powders. I have tried it out. I have tried them out myself, and I actually like them as well. You guys can check it out in the description box. So yeah, don't forget to check that out, you guys. So moving on, as you can see, I already finished capping my nails. Here they are already filed and shaped. I normally don't leave that in the video because it's just a long process. Here I'm just applying a matte top coat from Zoe Eve, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. And this is the matte one. This one I got from my Sassy Boo. She sent it out to me, which again, thank you so much. This is my first time trying it. I wanted to try a different matte because the only one that I've been using is from Coupa, and I absolutely loved it. The consistency was very thick. I had no problems when it came to curing. I did cure for 60 seconds after I applied the top coat. Now here I'm using Perfect White from Madame Glam, and I'm just gonna do some hearts, or draw some hearts right where the empty spaces are, I guess you can say. So I'm just gonna shape out some hearts, and then we are gonna move on to sugaring. So I'm gonna pour some glitter on top of the hearts. So after I'm done drawing the hearts, I'm not gonna cure it just yet. I want them to stay wet. And here I'm just using a small detail brush. I'm not sure where I got this brush from. Maybe in one of my nail boxes. I'm not too sure, but I absolutely love it. It's very thin, very small. Perfect for little details. And then I'm just using the other end, which is a dotting tool. Here I'm just showing you the glitter that I'm using, which I got from Michael's, I believe. And now I'm just going to pour it over that gel polish before curing. We haven't cured yet. So I'm just gonna pour it over. After I'm done pouring it onto the hearts, I'm gonna start tapping on my finger just to take that extra glitter off, and then I'm gonna toss it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So here the nail's already cured. I just grabbed a little brush and took off the extra glitter off the nail. Okay, you guys, so after I removed all the glitter, I did add some rhinestones to the index finger and the pinky, and this is the final result. I didn't show the rhinestone placement because that's just a very long process, but this is what they look like. I absolutely love them. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys like this design, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.